I'm Rosalind Daniels, and I've celebrated my fair share of Thanksgiving dinners, but this year is definitely going to be a little different. So I thought it'd be a great opportunity for me to contact Butterball's Turkey Talk line so I can speak to one of their experts to find helpful tips on how to celebrate the good in this year. Hi, my name is Rosalind, and I was just calling in to get some turkey and Thanksgiving tips this year.
Hi, Rosalind. I'm Karen. I've been on Butterball Talk Line for 10 years now. How can I help you?
So I know for us, this year, Thanksgiving is going to look really different. How are things looking for you?
You know, this year we've had a lot of different things to overcome, but we know that, hey, as long as you have that turkey in the center of your table and some of your favorite sides, you're gonna have a fabulous meal and a fabulous holiday. It's all about taking a moment to take a pause and just say, hey, we're thankful.
I totally agree. So I've heard about the 4 T's. What exactly is that all about?
Well, no surprise, it's all about the tea on Thanksgiving for us here at Butterball. So the 4 T's are thaw, temperature, 2-hour rule between the time that you get it out of the oven to on the table, and then 3 days by which you want to get that turkey either consumed or in the freezer.
So Karen, can you tell me a little bit about thawing the turkey?
One thing to always remember, the Thursday before Thanksgiving is what we call Thaw Thursday. This year it's going to be November 19th. And what you want to do is you want to get your turkey out if it's in the freezer and move it to your refrigerator, because we know turkey of almost all sizes will be properly thawed.
What happens if I don't take my turkey out in time on thaw day?
Okay.
Is there anything for like last minute people like me?
Yes, it's not a problem. You can use our water bath method, which all you have to do is you're going to keep the turkey in its original wrapper and you're going to submerge it in cold water, and you're going to be changing the water every half an hour to just keep that going. And the instructions are on the package themselves, or you can also get them off of our website, or you can even ask Alexa if you have Alexa.
Okay, great, because I do.
She's a friend. She'll help you out.
So Karen, do you have any advice about grocery shopping this year?
Yes, it's going to be different for a lot of us, but my biggest suggestion would be for you to start early. That way you can get the size turkey that you'd like. Don't be afraid to buy a bigger turkey. That's just going to mean more leftovers or more planned-overs. You have plenty of leftover recipes on our website. And I bet you have some signature things that you like to do with the leftovers also, right?
Yes. So one of the things I always do is I make turkey pot pies. With the leftover meat. It's something that my kids absolutely love. So I make those, and I decided to make these leftover take-home boxes. So my family, they can take those home, and I'm gonna deliver them to some of my friends who we used to do Friendsgiving, but we can't this year, just so we can still have that connection, you know?
Well, I know they're going to enjoy it. That is really nice of you.
So although things are gonna be different this year, I'm trying to think outside of the box. So I was thinking, you know, maybe we can do some more virtual gatherings, have our friends online.
I think that will be fun. I know for me personally, I'm challenging my family to a table setting contest. So we each are gonna spend under $20 and see who has the coolest table. I believe I'm going to win, but you know.
Oh, I'm rooting for you, Karen. I already know you're gonna knock it out the park.
Thank you. Listen, I'm stealing some of your ideas right now, so I've got.
Oh yeah, please do, please do. Like that's right up my alley. Well, thank you so much for all of this, Karen. I mean, honestly, I just feel like I've been talking to one of my girlfriends this whole time. Like, this is really nice.
Well, thank you for calling us. Hey, we here at Butterball are here to help you out. Just call us at 1-800-BUTTERBALL, or if you're having a question in the middle of the night, jump on butterball.com, ask Alexa. We are here for you to celebrate the good this year.
Thank you so much. Happy holidays.
Thank you. Lovely talking to you.